All right, so I'm going to show you the fastest way to get to your Do Not Disturb settings on Android. And I'm going to show a couple of different ways to do this on two different phones. On some phones, you swipe down from the top right corner and you'll see Modes. If you don't see it right away, you might need to swipe down twice to get the full panel of quick settings. From there, go to Modes. Do Not Disturb is there, and you just tap it here to turn it on or off. Also worth noting, tapping the part of the button with the text opens that menu with all the different modes, while tapping the icon next to it will simply toggle the most recently used mode on and off. So you don't necessarily always need to open the full modes menu. On other phones, like this Samsung here, similarly, swipe down to Quick Settings, and depending on your setup, it might go straight to the full panel, or you might need to swipe twice, view all your quick settings. On Samsung, you'll simply have a dedicated button for Do Not Disturb. It's not hidden under modes or anything like that. Simply tap it to turn it on or off. You can also add a shortcut to your lock screen for Do Not Disturb, which is another quick and easy way to toggle it on and off. On a Pixel or stock Android, go to Settings, Display, then Lock Screen, and from there you'll go to Shortcuts. Here, you can choose a shortcut for the lock screen. I'll change mine to Do Not Disturb, apply it, and now I'll have that shortcut sitting right there in the corner of my lock screen. When I'm on the lock screen, to toggle Do Not Disturb on or off, you'll need to touch and hold it, not just single tap. A single tap will just wiggle and show that it didn't register, so make sure to long press it instead. On a Samsung phone, the way you set this up, you'll first go to your lock screen, then long press the display, authenticate with your PIN, and it'll load up the customization view for your lock screen. From here, you can assign different actions to these buttons in the corners. I'll do the bottom left, for example. Tap it, and you'll see all the actions you can assign to that button. I'll set it to Do Not Disturb, tap Done, and now, on my lock screen, I can sort of tap, hold, and swipe in from that button to turn it on. Once again, single tap doesn't do it, because you wouldn't want to be accidentally triggering this as you're handling your phone. To turn it off, you can just tap the little status bar on the bottom and turn it off from there. So, that's the quickest, easiest way to control Do Not Disturb on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, till next time.